Well, the numbers from the conference board are out and it's all not looking good. Consumer confidence has regressed to the lowest level since the pandemic. To people, the economy and labor market is in crisis mode. Meanwhile, expectations have plunged to the lowest level since 2011. The amount of consumer fear is palpable, which means company earnings are going to collapse. Even companies like McDonald's, they are seeing their sales drop by the most since 2020. There's a good reason why Bessent is trying to keep everyone calm. He needs money to keep flowing into US markets. The entire system is so hyper financialized that both equity and bond markets can't afford to suffer a collapse. It will make people feel poorer. So Bessent is giving the ultimate investment pitch of a lifetime.
U.S. markets are anti fragile. Indeed, the entire history can be distilled into just 5 words: up,
Now, this is crazy on so many levels. Bessent just told the world that US stocks and bonds will keep going up to the right, that the end destination is to the moon. Well, I guess if you keep deficit spending your way, the numbers will always increase, but that doesn't mean the US markets are bulletproof and that you'll get a decent return at all. Even Goldman doesn't know where US stocks will go by the end of the year. We could still be on track for a bear market, and that would mean another 10% drop from where we are easily. The upsides are also limited thanks to all the crazy valuations driven by the old narrative. We might only get a positive 3% gain versus the market peak. How is that a good deal? If the US economy was really exceptional and forever robust, there's no need to sell a product that everyone wants. There's no clarity on trade policy, and the biggest issue, the China tariffs, are far from over. Bessent is conducting a fire sale when the house is already burning down. We just need to sit back and think about what asset is actually going strong. It is gold. The ultimate barometer of the dollar collapse is sounding the alarm bells. Now, big whales in the market are not believing what Scott Bessent is selling. And if money leaves the US market, it has to go somewhere else. After all, inflation globally isn't over and will continue to be a persistent crisis.